Thank you for joining this lesson. We're going to use mathematical tables in this question, number 3, whereby we are taught to use tables of cubes, cube roots, and reciprocals to find the value of. So we can see that the numerical case here has two values, your 4 out of 8.63 cubed, then plus 5 divided by 34.46 raised to power third. So we're going to deal with the left hand side of the addition sign, then we also deal with the right hand side, then now we finally add. So I will start with this side, whereby I'll begin by taking 4 divided by, to cube 8.63, I'll use the math tables. So the tables of cubes, I'll go to where we have 8.6. So 8.6 is here. Then the column with 3 on the addition side, the column with 3, which is here. So it will be 642.7. 642.7, that is after cubing. Now after cubing, we get to the reciprocal table, whereby when we have 4 factored out, what remains here is the reciprocal of 642.7. So to solve the reciprocal part now, we remain with our 4 here. We write this one in standard form, which will be 6.42.7 times 10 power 2. Then now we read each reciprocal. This is 6.427 times 10 power 2. So the reciprocal of each from the maths table. So we can have our 4 again here, then 6.427 on the reciprocal tables. 6.42. Let me open the reciprocal tables. Yes, here it is. 6.42. So you have 6.4, then 2 is here. 6.42. We have 0.1558. 0.1558. Then now on the difference side, we are going to subtract, where we have 723. 6.42, but we have a 0.1558. Then on the difference side, we add, and we go to where we have 7 along the same row, where we have 7, and we find a difference of 2. So we're going to subtract 2 at this point. So we will have 0.15, then 56. So 0.1556. 0.1556 multiplied by the reciprocal of 10 power 2 is 10 power negative 2. Then now we multiply by 4. So we shall have 4 times 0.1556. Then we divide by 100. This is going to be 0.006224. So the first part is dealt with. So the next part of the same question, we are having 5 divided by 34.46, whereby we will start with the reciprocals now. We factor out 5, so that we remain with the reciprocal of 34.46. This is before taking the cube root. So 5 into 3.446 times 10 power 1. So this is going to be 5 into 3.44 in the reciprocals tables yet. 3.44. Then we go to 6. So 3.4, we go to the column with 4. So 0.2907, 0.2907. Then on the difference side, we go to where we have 6. So 3.44, 3.4, where we have a 6. So 6, we have a difference of 5. So we subtract 5. So this will be 0.2901. 0.2901. So 0.2901 times 10 power negative 1. The reciprocal of 10 power 1 is 10 power negative 1. So this one is read from the table, but this one, it becomes the negative of that power. So now we can multiply 5 by 0.2901 divided by 10, which will be 0.14505. Then after this, now remember there is now the raising to power third. Raising to power third means the third root. So the cube root from the table, the cube root of 0.14505, we're going to write it in standard form so that we have the cube root of 145.05 times 10 power negative 3. So what we do here is to write in such a way that the power will be a multiple of 3, so that in the taking of cube root, we will have this one being divided by 3 times 10 power negative 1. Then on the other side now, where we have 145.05, now that we don't have cube root tables, we go to the cube tables and we look for the number which, when cubed, it gives us 145.05. So we go to the cube tables, then we look for the number which gives us 145.05. 145.05. So we get to the table now. We want 145.05. We can begin at 145.05. Let's start here. 145.05. So we can see when we have 5.2, then this column is having 4. So 5.24, 5.24. Then on the addition side, because we are here 5.24, we're at that point, then we had 33. We add 33, and 33 is at 4. We add 33, will be the closest now, because it will be 144.70 plus 33. This will give us 145.0.03. This one is the nearest answer. So 5.244. 5.244 from the table. 5.244. Then when we multiply now, it becomes 0.5244. So now we can add the two answers. Now from the left hand side we got this, from the right hand side we're getting this. So now we can add the two, this plus 0.006224. So when we take 0.5244 plus 0.006224, this is going to give us 0.530624. So that is going to be the answer.